Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and copy a listing on Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in from this home page, now we can get started with accessing the shop manager. So by clicking the shop manager, this is going to enable us to set up our shop if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally to it, and just like that we can open up the shop manager to manage our listings. So from here we can get started following this article on the official Etsy Help Center on how to edit listings on our website, and here we have an option on how to copy a listing. So copying creates a brand new listing with all the info from the copied listing in place. From there you can tweak and publish. So what we want to do is open up the shop manager just like I explained to you in the upper right corner, and after that we can go to the listings tab. Once you open up your listings, you are going to find the listing that you want to copy, and then once you click on the gear menu that's going to appear to the right side of the listing name, click on it and you're going to see a button that says copy. So basically guys, by clicking copy, this is going to enable you to go and create a brand new listing with all the info from the copied listing that you can then edit, publish, do whatever you want, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.